If you're scared of being in pain after a C-section, but you're also scared of feeling drugged, I want you to hear this clearly. Most moms don't end up feeling drugged because they took too much. They feel drugged because they waited too long. And then they have to play catch up. And that's a trap I want you to avoid. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how C-section pain usually behaves, the simple stay-ahead method that prevents pain spikes, what to say if you feel too sleepy or still not controlled, and the 2 non-medication tools that reduce the pain fast. Stay with me because the biggest pain mistake I see is not about medication at all. It's what moms do the moment they start feeling a little better. First, the most important rule. Do not wait until your pain is a 7 out of 10. Because by then, your body is already tense. Your breathing gets shallow. You move less and everything starts to feel harder. C-section pain usually comes in waves. It's not always constant the same way all day. It gets louder with movement, getting out of bed, standing up, coughing, laughing, going to the bathroom, walking, and picking up your baby. So, if you wait until you're really hurting, you take something, and then you're chasing the pain while your body is already stressed. That's when moms feel shaky, overwhelmed, and exhausted. The goal is not no pain. The goal is manageable pain, so you can move safely, breathe deeply, rest, and care for your baby without suffering. Now, let's talk about the stay ahead method without feeling drugged. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Baseline plus booster. Baseline means you're using the steady options that keep pain controlled in the background. Booster means you use a stronger option only when you actually need it, like before a bigger movement. Always follow your provider's plan, but in most hospitals, the concept is similar. There's usually a steady option and a stronger as needed option. Here's where moms get in trouble. They skip the steady option because they want to be tough or they want to feel normal. But when you skip the steady option, pain spikes. And when pain spikes, you end up needing more of the stronger options just to catch up. That is exactly what makes you feel more drugged. This is why staying ahead often means you actually take less of the heavy stuff because you're preventing spikes instead of chasing them. Now, let's get practical. How do you know if your plan needs adjusting? If you feel too sleepy, too loopy, or like you can't focus, say it out loud. Here's the sentence. I feel too sedated. Can we adjust my pain plan so I'm comfortable but more alert? You are not being difficult. You are advocating for safe recovery. There are many ways your team can tweak things. Timing, dose, which medication at which time. You don't have to silently tolerate feeling foggy. Now, the other side. If you feel like you're counting down the minutes until your next dose because the pain creeps back too fast, say this. My pain isn't staying controlled. What can we do to adjust so I'm not spiking between doses? That's not asking for something unreasonable. That's asking for safe healing. Now, I want to give you 2 non-medication tools that reduce the pain fast because this is where moms get relief without adding anything. First, splinting. That means holding a pillow or a folded blanket gently against your belly when you cough, laugh, or stand. It supports your incision so it doesn't feel like everything is pulling. This is simple, but it works. Second, micro movement. Not a workout, not pushing through. Micro movements are short, gentle movements at regular intervals to prevent your body from stiffening. Because the stiffer you get, the sharper that first move pain becomes. Think a little bit, often. A slow trip to the bathroom, a short lap in your room, standing for a moment. These helps your body release tension and prevents pain from accumulating. Now, here's the biggest mistake, and this is the one I want you to remember. The biggest pain mistake isn't medication. It's what moms do when they start feeling a little better. A lot of moms have one decent day and think, I'm good. I don't need anything. So, what do? They do more. More stairs, more bending, more cleaning, more hosting visitors, more standing baby care. And by the evening, pain catches up hard. Feeling better is not the same as being healed. So, if you have a good hour, use it for what matters. Eat, hydrate, walk a little, shower if you can, then rest. Don't use it to prove you can do anything. Quick note, if you want your recovery laid out step by step so you're not piecing it together when you're tired and tender, my Strong Start C-Section Recovery Kit is linked below. It's the roadmap I'd want for my own family. Now, let me land these clearly. Pain control after a C-section is not about being tough. It's about being safe. When pain is controlled, you move better. And when you move better, your body heals better. And if you're breastfeeding, pain control matters too, because it's a lot easier to latch, hold, and stay patient when your body isn't screaming. If you're in week 1 right now, watch my first night home after a C-section video next. It'll help you get through tonight in a way that makes tomorrow easier. And if this video helped, subscribe. I'll keep this clear, practical, and honest, so you don't have to piece your recovery together from random clips online. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.